Do you want to know how you can check your analytics on your v.io account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can check your analytics on your v.io account. Go ahead and open Chrome or its browser on your PC and open v.io. Log into your account and click on this. After you click on this drop-down menu, you can see Analytics. Go ahead and tap on Analytics. For you to run Analytics, you need to upgrade for Veed Pro. After you upgrade to Veed Pro, you will see all of the analytics, some of the visits, unique visits, average visits and users, your top projects, your top editors. All of this will be displayed on the Analytics section. So to access it, go ahead and tap on this icon. Go to Analytics and you can see your analytics over here. You can even organize your analytics from days. The options are 180, 90, 30, 14 and 7. So you can click on this and then you can check your analytics very easily. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.